Hey everyone, how's it going? This is TI. So I want to talk to you about mindset, your psychology. Considering 70% of trading is to do with your mindset, yeah, with your psychology. So, we're up against fighting market makers, yeah. So every time we're gonna place a trade, we got to fight against market makers, because they want to take your money. So that's already one dagger in the back. And then we've got to battle our own minds whether we're gonna pull the trigger or not. You know. So a lot of people they start demo. A lot of people start demo, right? But the demo don't give you the real psychology mindset for you to start with. Yeah. Some people come in 50k demos and they put in what 20 lot sizes, 20 lots on a trade. You ain't gonna pull that if you got like I don't know 500k account, yeah, okay, you can afford to pull 20k lots. But when you starting out, you ain't gonna pull them. You're pulling 0.01 lots to start out with. Yeah, you put in 0.10 lots to start out with. Yeah, you need to treat your demo like it's your own peas. Yeah, like it's your own money. Otherwise, you're gonna come into the game disorientated. Yeah, you could be pulling out them 20 lots, and you're gonna see you will be blowing more accounts than I ever did. Yeah, I've blown accounts. I've blown so many accounts, it's unreal. And so far, fingers crossed, I ain't blown out no account just yet, But never say never. But yeah, it's all about that mindset. It's all about getting ready for that mind, for you to pull that trigger, So yeah, you're fighting market makers. Yeah, market makers are betting against you as well. They're hedging against you. So when you pull a trade in, they're hedging against you because they know that you're gonna lose. Yeah. So you're already in a losing battle as soon as you pull that trigger. Yeah. It's just whether you're gonna execute it at a specific time. So, for example, you take a buy on a trade, right? But then you letting it run 50 pips, but because of your greed, you want 100 pips, right? So with that, you've got 100 pips in your as your target. So they bring you 50, the market gives you 50, and then after 50 turns around, boom, you're minus 50. Yeah, you could have took that 50 and profited, but you was looking for the 100. Now you're in drawdown. You're gonna have to take an L at some time because how far are you gonna draw down? Yeah. So like I said, you got to fight the battle in your mind. You got to have a realistic target as well. You can't just go in there. You can. I've seen people flip accounts. Yeah, I've seen account flippers that come in the game. Yeah, with like a K. Yeah, 1K. Yeah, they come in. They go, yeah, I want to flip my account. Let's make it into a double. Yeah, so you got 1K account flippers. They come in and they want to flip that to 2, from 2 to 4, from 4 to 8. So the market makers are going to give you a few wins, right? So they'll flip your account to 2, maybe to 4, right? So they get your taste buds running, right? And then after you hit a certain amount of wins and runs, you start having a losing streak, right? So once you start losing your money's back down to 1K, and then you're like, you want to go back up because you have that expectation to flip that account, to double that account, right? So then you lose the 1K, right? Because you're greed. So you lose that 1K, that 1K is gone. Now you're going to put another 1K in, right? Because you think, yeah, I'm going to flip that account. So I'm going to flip it to 2 and carry on. So then you lose another 1K. That goes. Then you lose another 1K. That goes. And now you're going crazy. You're like, why am I losing? Why am I losing? Because you're already fighting with market makers. You're already fighting your own mind. So what more can you're just gonna keep throwing your money. You might as well just give it to a charity. But yeah, you're already fighting your mind. And then you're gonna be going out your mind because you're going on this losing streak and you're losing monies and monies and monies, and you're giving the market makers what they want. They feeding off your greed, you know. So yeah, a lot of people they think they can get rich overnight. It don't work in this game, man. This game is they show you that it works like that because they give you a little feel of the game, you know. They give you some monies, and then you're flipping your account, but then in the long term you're losing, right? So it's not how it works, because 6 months time you'll be out. You have no money left. So a lot of people, they come in like 100k, yeah. A lot of people think, oh yeah, I can flip that. In the end, you're gonna lose half of it. So it's all about consistency, yeah. If you're making 5 to 6, maybe 10% every month, consistent basis, you're gonna be in the game for a longer period of time, right? But you got to think a long-term goal, right? If you start up a business, are you gonna flip your account straight away? No, unless you got like an outstanding product, which no one's got yet. Cool, you're gonna get sponsored. Then yeah, you'll flip your account. But if you're like in this game, everyone's thinking the same, right? Everyone's all coming in new, thinking, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna make riches overnight. It does happen to some people, the exceptional ones who are like more aggressive side, but majority, 90% lose money, yeah. So that's what you got to think about. You got to think about, okay, 90% people lose money. Why? Yeah. You got to look deep down into why they're losing money, because they're uneducated. They don't understand the game, right? You think you can throw on like a one lot size and then flip your account? No, it don't work like that, man. You got to change your thinking like that. If you're thinking like that, you might get lucky, yeah. Your luck will come into play, but eventually you get fizzled out. 6 months time, I won't see you anymore, yeah. So you got to be consistent. You got to have a consistent basis, like consistent profits. Yeah, when you start up a business, you write your business plan, right? So you write like a 3, 4, 5 months figures. You're not going to flip it over. So if you put your business plan, right, you make a business plan and you put in doubling your profits every other month or every other like quarter, and you show that to like an investor, they're gonna laugh at you, because they know first year you ain't making profit, you're making losses, yeah, to cover yourself. You start making profits in the 3rd year, right? So you got to treat this like a business. You got to come in, you got to educate yourself, you got to know how it moves and how it works. Otherwise you ain't making money. You will make money, but you won't be on a consistent basis, you know. You won't be on, I'll see you in 6 months time. If you're still here, then yeah, you're lucky. You flipped your accounts. But if you want to make it as a business with financial freedom, so you're not working six jobs, so you just want to work the one job, then yeah, you have to make it as like a 10% on a monthly basis. You make your 10% every month, and you keep it as that. You see, when big corporations, right, they make 6% on investment, so they put their monies on like on a stock, yeah, or on a ETF, right, and then they leave that to ride throughout the years, but they're making 6% each way, each year. They're making 6% because they know how the game works, because you're not going to flip your account like that. 6% is good, you know. Why would you turn your nose over 6%? But because you're being consistent, that's why. So I hope that's helped you a little bit, you know, because a lot of people, they're coming to the game thinking they're gonna see this Forex lifestyle, yeah, with Lambos, people promising big P's, yeah, and then they sell their courses. So you're buying their course thinking you're gonna be rich like them, right? Or you're going into a signal group. So with a signal group, right, they got winners, they got buys and sells. So there's 2 groups, yeah. There's 2 groups, these signal groups. You'll get placed into one, yeah. And imagine I was in the other group, right? So what they do is they'll put the analysts out and they'll say buy this on the buyers group, and then on the sellers group they send in the same analysis and they're saying sell this, right? And then whoever's like profitable, they'll post it up saying, yeah, well done, thank you, I've made profit. It could be the buyers or the sellers, and then they'll screenshot that and put it on Instagram. Oh yeah, look how much I made for my clients. It's a scam, you know. There's so many scam artists out there. There's so many courses out there that I don't even know why you even want to buy a course for. Bro, YouTube, man, you just check YouTube, bro, and there's so much stuff out there, you know. But yeah, check my channel, like, subscribe, comment down below what you think. You know, we could start a little conversation if you really want. But yeah, just stay away from the Telegram groups, man. They're toxic, bro. Like, trust your if you're in the game, yeah, trust your analysis. Don't let anyone say, oh, it's a buy, it's a sell, it's a buy, it's a sell. Bro, your mind's gonna go everywhere. Yeah, stay off the yeah, okay, join up a Telegram group, but when you're trading, bro, stick with your analysis, because you're gonna be going in all over the place. You'll be buying, selling. Next thing you know, you've blown your account. Yeah, and you're always gonna get links. Oh yeah, join this. Send me money and I'll send you back six. So send me £500. I'll send you back 10k. Like, come on, bro. Like, be real, man. If you're gonna do a good scam, at least run it like proper, innit? Not some unrealistic figures. So yeah, watch out for scammers. There's scammers all over the place that want to take your monies, as well as the market makers, you know. But yeah, we'll get deeper into this. Yeah, so this is just an intro about your psychology, your mindset, because 70% of trading is your mindset. Yeah, it's all in your mind, right? So yeah, we're gonna go over this. So this is gonna be part 1. Yeah. So next I'll probably talk about scam artists. Now we'll cover that basically. We'll talk about, I don't know, pulling the trigger, I think. Yeah, pulling the trigger and exiting, because a lot of people, they don't know when they're gonna pull the trigger. They get scared. They start thinking, oh, how much money am I gonna lose? They're all shaking around, holding their mouths, ready to exit as soon as you get 1 pip profit. Bro, you need to think outside. You need to trust your analysis, you know. But yeah, we'll talk into that. So like, subscribe, you know the rest. Yeah, cool, out.